To install Dynamic Island on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the Dynamic Island. So we're gonna use the search option at the bottom, then at the top we're gonna just simply search for Dynamic Island, and you should be able to find some example apps that at least in theory should allow you to use Dynamic Island. Now in my case I'm just gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna show you how to set it up, but feel free to try anything else in case you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you for some reason. So I'm gonna open it, and we need to set it up, of course. So over here now we're gonna tap on next in order to continue. Then in here we need to select apps that should be compatible with the Dynamic Island, which should be displayed whenever you receive a new notification. So they will be displayed on the Dynamic Island. You can choose individually, or you can just tap on all in the upper right corner to select everything. After that, we need to grant notification access, so we're gonna tap over here. Let's wait for the next screen to appear. Over here, you want to choose Dynamic Spot, and you want to allow the notification access and confirm your choice. Then we're gonna tap on the draw on screen, and we need to allow it. Then once again, tap on that option and go next. Wait a couple of seconds, in here select Dynamic Spot, and then turn this option on and tap on allow. And there we go, now we are done. Of course you might see this premium offer, but we can just close it in the upper right corner. And the Dynamic Island is pretty much ready to be used. However, I can also recommend you go into the position settings, where you can see how the Dynamic Island looks like, and you might want to, for example, make it slightly wider, maybe slightly bigger. It's up to you, you can just personalize it and you can make it look exactly as you want it to look like. And that's about it. Of course, if you want to, you can manage notification settings in here. You can choose apps once again, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out. Leave a like and subscribe.